So what's about the background? What is the background? What is the whole picture of the story I would like to share it today? So as we all know, right now there is a strong trend, strong desire to have more and more economic cars and introduce more and more ecology into the industry. And we are using hybrids or fully electric vehicles. But of course, not everybody can afford to buy a new electric car or even a hybrid one. So the companies like Continental designed so-called EcoDrive, 48-volt EcoDrive, which is mainly about recuperation of energy. So when we're hitting the brakes in our car, or we are just driving down the hill, the energy is restored and sent to a battery, an extra battery in our car, which can power the onboard systems or even power up the electric engine if we are driving a hybrid. It leads to at least 21% of fuel consumption reduction of fuel consumption. Of course, that means less CO2 emissions, better impact to our planet, and of course money savings, because we are losing less money to buy fuel, but also we don't need to buy a fully electric car to be more ecologic, to have less impact on our environment. These systems have been already introduced in a few different car models. This is one of them, Audi A8. The heart of this EcoDrive system is so-called belt starter generator. It's a device that combines two other devices that are still in traditional combustion powered vehicles. So the motor starter and the alternator. These two come together to create this BSG device, which normally looks like that. Yeah? It's fully made from